Well, my air conditioner is out. It's kind of sad looking at the different references. It could be the capacitor, it could be a fan belt. There's just different things that could be wrong with it because there is a humming sound, like you can tell that the air conditioner wants to come on, but it's not blowing the air. And so I do have this fan and that fan and those fans over there, plus two other fans, and those are going to be helping to keep cool tonight. Fortunately, it's 82 now and it's going to get cooler. And the air conditioner was working earlier today. So the temperature inside my little home is pretty reasonable. And with these fans, of course, it really does make a difference. I strongly recommend these fans. They're small, they are rechargeable, so the cords don't have to go all over the place. As I just showed you, you can set them anywhere, but those are going to be what will help me keep cool tonight. I do have somebody coming to take a look at the air conditioner tomorrow, and I'm hoping and praying that it's a reasonable cost because it's still very challenging right now. I just thought I would recommend these fans because they work so well. And I have bought many of them, and several I have given away to others. I have six that I keep now. The one thing I am looking to find out is about how they recharge because I've had them for a couple of years. And so there's two new ones, but I've given away a couple others. The three older ones that I do have, I can tell that they probably do need a battery change. Anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. Take care.